What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC giving you an update on my little mods I made on my Sketer, Team Corrali Sketer. As you can see, I added some low profile tires. These tires are made by Jetko. They call Supersonics. Look real good on there. I added a wing. You know, this is an old wing I had laying around. I don't even know what it belonged to. I added that wing. You know, these EX Supersonic. And here's the part number, in case you want to order. So what I did, I added the tires, added the wing, I dropped down low. You know, I dropped it down a little lower, the speed runs. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do a speed test to see how she handles. You know, added my little stickers. Added stickers to the inside. You know, got that right there. Add a little Team Corrali brand to it. Well, it is a Team Corrali brand, but added some extra stickers just to give it a little. I like the way the inside of the RC cars look in the first place. I got her all cleaned up. And when I ran into salt, I rusted some screws. I guess I took too long to wash it. Rusted a couple screws in there. I hate rusted screws, but it is what it is. But let's take her out for a spin and see how they hold up. This Phillyswords just finished running my Sketer on these low profile tires, the EX Supersonics by Jetko. On this side, yeah, that sticker, that Team Corrali sticker, brings it out a lot more just because it's on the wing. So what do you think? Yes or no? Put it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think of this. This is Phillyswords and I'm out.